Hello guys, welcome to my next video, and in this video I will be showing you how to know if your SMPS is on the correct position, or like if it's working or not. Just take out your SMPS and you need not do much. Just find out the green and black wire and sort them. You can sort with anything like the pictures I've shown here. You can use this method and just sort them, and if the fan starts, then congratulations, your SMPS is working just fine. And if the fan is not moving, then you might need repair or maybe replacement or anything. Okay, thank you guys.